Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pork egg foo young. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 6 large eggs, 1 pound of ground pork, and your favorite chopped vegetables like bean sprouts or green onions. Don't forget the gravy components, including 2 cups of chicken broth and some soy sauce. Having everything ready beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare the patties. Begin by cooking 1 pound of ground pork in a skillet until it's no longer pink, then drain any excess fat. In a large bowl, whisk together 6 large eggs, the cooked pork, and about 1 cup of your chosen chopped vegetables. Gently mix everything until well combined. Then, form this mixture into 8 to 10 individual, flat patties, ready for frying. Next, it's time to fry our patties. Heat about 1/2 inch of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Carefully place the patties into the hot oil and fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side until they are golden brown and cooked through. While they cook, prepare your savory gravy by simmering 2 cups of chicken broth with soy sauce, then thicken it with a cornstarch slurry. Finally, it's time to serve your homemade pork egg foo young. Carefully place 2 or 3 of the golden brown patties onto each serving plate. Then, generously spoon that delicious, warm gravy over the top of each patty, ensuring every bite is flavorful. For an extra touch of freshness and color, sprinkle some thinly sliced green onions over your dish. Enjoy this classic, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.